10 amazing facts about ocean life. An electric eel can produce a shock of 600 volts. That's enough to stun large animals and even knock a horse off its feet. When an octopus gets angry, it shoots a stream of black ink. The snapping shrimp, only 1.5 inches long, makes a noise with its one big claw, which sounds exactly like a firecracker. Sea snakes are the most poisonous snakes in the world. Seahorses pull themselves around with their chins leading them. The fiddler crab can grow a new claw when it loses one of its own. Scallops swim with jet-propelled speed by clapping its shell open and shut. Killer whales are the only sea animal that outranks the tiger shark as top predator of the sea. A female seahorse lets her partner store her babies inside his stomach. Starfish have 8 eyes, one at the end of each leg.